Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I got something really early this month which totally shocked my mind, made me like woo, mind blown. I got the Lookfantastic for February, and I only just did the other one like what, a week and a half ago. So that's going to be exciting. So Lookfantastic is a British monthly subscription. It's beauty related, although it tends to be a good mixture. A little bit more towards beauty and a little less on makeup compared to, say, BoxyCharm. It costs $19, including delivery and taxes for Americans. And for Canadians, it's $20.50, including delivery and taxes. That's all you pay. So the price is amazing. It's actually cheaper for Canadians than Ipsy. So, I didn't say my name is Diane. My name is Diane. Hi, everyone. Hi. Okay, so first we start with the box. I just spit all over it. That's okay. It's a beautiful, beautiful pink for Valentine's Day, I assume. So, there we go on that one. So, on the inside, if you look right here, there's a saying. And it's lovely, and I'm going to put my glasses on so that I can read it to you because, you know, I can't see a darn thing. Love is like the sunshine trickling through clouds on a rainy day, inescapable and ever present. That is lovely. So romantic. Okay, and then we get like a little beauty magazine that's going to give us descriptions of everything that's inside the box, which is awesome actually because it gives you the prices and all of that. My hair bandy thing is, I don't know, I'm not liking it today. It's not making me happy. There we go. And every month you get the current subscription, February subscription of Elle magazine. And these are like $5 something, so that right there, if you have an Elle subscription, you can cancel it and start getting the Lookfantastic, because it's a pretty good box. Last month was a pretty good box. This is only my second one, so I can't speak completely, truly on how much I like it, but we will find out. Okay, so let's get that book ready so I can tell you all the prices of everything. Let's see. Oh, this is the romance edition. Look at that. So, let's start with this. There we go. Cannot hold it like that. We'll hold it like this. There we go. This is Philip Kingsley Maximizer, a volumizing styling spray for fine and limp hair. As you can see, that's what I have. Providing volume and body. The spray holds hair in place whilst smoothing frizz and adding shine. A spray that can be used on either wet or dry hair. This is a hair essential. And then it tells you how to do it. I do not know, but I'm going to put some of this sucker on right now because look at my hair. Ooh, it smells good. I like it. Oh, it smells good. Smells good. Oh, great. All this is going to do is like turn my hair into like an afro. Oh, well. I keep forgetting that I have really curly hair as well. So there's this. It smells really good. So that one's obviously, if you were different kind of hair, you would obviously get a different one of those. So the next thing is Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette. Here we go. Let's open this. Maybe not. It's sealed all up. Because we all know I never have anything around to slice into anything. Okay, so it's made by Sleek Makeup. Oh, that's nice. You can't see it, but it's pretty good. There's that. Okay. A face shaping essential. This contouring palette enhances the complexion, containing a matte contouring shade, a flushed blush, and a dewy highlighter. This is a makeup essential perfect for defining your features. These lightweight yet pigmented powders blend easily into the skin, creating a perfectly diffused and healthy complexion. Wow, that's pretty cool because you're getting like full-size makeup. I'm happy. So far, so good today. Let's put that away. I keep these things because unfortunately I'm not going to use this. I just got a brand new contouring set. So like always, I'll add this to my giveaway. What's next? This is, there we go. This is the Lord & Berry Matte Lipstick Pencil in Intimacy. Ooh, so Valentine's-y. Achieve high pigmented color with this Lord & Berry Matte Lipstick Pencil. With a silky smooth formula that glides effortlessly, I cannot say that, effortless. You know what I'm trying to say. I can't say effortlessly. No, I'm done. Onto the lips. This lipstick pencil delivers long-lasting coverage that will last all day. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. That is like buttery. That is good. That is good. And I'm keeping this one. Oh, won't they? Let's change the page. Oh, okay. This is, we'll go like that. This is Douce Punk Mascara. Create fuller looking lashes with this lightweight yet smooth formula that creates long-lasting results without clumping, smudging, or fading. With a brush that has been long and short bristled, this mascara amplifies, separates, curls, and coats lashes from root to tip. There you go. Let's put that away. Ooh, and it clicks shut. Click, click. Nice. Okay. What's next? Ooh. This is the Emmett Rose Gold Eyelash Curlers. Trying to get it open. I do not know what I'm doing. We got the little replacement, little spongy things. Oh, these feel good. Like they feel high quality. Yeah, they feel good. I just got a new one too, of course. Curls your lashes to perfection with this ergonomically designed eyelash curler. I can say that, but I can't say effortless. Still can't say it. With a comfortable grip, this curved design fits a variety of eye shapes whilst minimizing risk of smudging any other makeup. The eyelash curl's rounded silicone rubber pad guarantees a lasting, intense curl. Ding, ding, ding. Nice. I will not use those either because I already just bought a new pair, of course. So that can go into the next giveaway as well. Okay. This is Erno Lazio Deep Sea Mud Bar. I think that's the last thing, yes. A little baby bar. Harness the therapeutic benefits of deep sea mud with this detoxifying cleansing bar. Protects, restores, and cleanses skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. Contains glycerin, This bar seals in and ensures optimum moisture levels whilst maintaining the skin's pH levels. Ooh. So it's a little BB bar. A little BB detoxifying bar. Wow, we actually got a lot for $20. United States, $19. We got the mud, we got the eyelash curler, we got the mascara, we got the lip stuff, and we got the sleek contouring palette. That's pretty good, actually. I'm pretty impressed. So, you know what I'm going to do? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you about our Discord because my son keeps telling me, the gaming young ones out there, don't forget about the Discord, Instagram. Maddie's been putting up some pictures, even in a bikini, so you might want to check that out if you're into that. So don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notifications bell. I won't hurt your ears with a song today. And leave us some questions so that we can answer them in a video. Madison, Mac, and I. We really would like to get together and make a Ask Us Anything kind of question and answer session thingamajiggy. So until next time, bye.